Hey guys, this is RLC321. I am back again with doing the not highlight stage, but painting these bits. I'm using chaotic red at the moment because I tried to just do a wash at first, and that just didn't work. So I'm painting it all chaotic red. Now everything will all make sense soon. I wanted the chaotic red because I wanted it fairly dark in the recesses, because then I'm going to give it a wash with the red, and then I'm going to dry brush it with the purple, and hopefully that will work out nicely. Hopefully. And as I won't know fully until I give it a try. So that is basically what I am doing right now. I mean, don't worry about mistakes, we can always touch those up again later, but we want to try not to make mistakes, obviously. And I definitely have come to the conclusion that I am not a great painter, especially with what's the word I'm looking for? Paintbrushes. Yes, especially with paintbrushes, I'm definitely not very good. There's any mistakes we could always clean up after, so I'm not too worried. But you don't want to, you want to make as little mistakes as possible. Okay. And this should, in theory, all come together nicely. I'm gonna need a thinner brush for some of this. Yeah, definitely gonna need a thinner brush for inside the feet and things like that. Getting that little crevice there. And this paint is ever so slightly thinned down. It's not thinned down to its fullest extent, but it's just enough to help it cover without losing the pigments. Big word. Well, it's not really a big word, is it? Ah. So there we go. Okay. Right. Then that's not too bad. As you can see, this is the effect we go to, because I wanted it kind of dark in there, just to start off with. Once we do add the red to it and then start dry brushing things, it will make it a lot lighter. And so with a big brush I can do things like here. No, it's not even in the shot there, apologise. I don't even know how much of the other stuff was in the shot. If it wasn't, apologies. And this is obviously one of the different techniques. Brushing. And that's what my channel's all about. It's like learning and using different techniques for model building, and also building different types of models. I mean, I've got, this is a vinyl kit. I've also got an aeroplane model kit that I'm going to be doing as well, because again that uses completely different techniques compared to what you would normally use. And you know, I just wanted it to be, everything to be slightly different. I don't want everything to be exactly the same. I'm not going to do inside there. Now, should I attempt that? Okay, I think that's pretty much all I can do with this slightly bigger brush, so I'm gonna have to use the smaller one now. Once I remember where I put it, the damn thing. Right. Where did I put it? Not you. That's the ultra small, don't that. Actually, do I think we will. Right. So, get into here. And this paintbrush is from Army Painters, I think it is. Yeah, Army Painter. It's the Insane Detail brush, and it's really good for getting into these tight spaces. You know, thinking about it, might have behooved me to actually do the spray the red first all over the kit. I'll just try and get it in the different bits. Looks like there's a little bit there. And when you build model kits, do you guys watch whatever you're building? Because at the moment I've got Guyver, it's just, I'm watching Guyver. And I just think I like to watch what I'm building. It's weird, I know, but I do. I don't know if other people do the same thing. Dear me, that was all out of shot there, I know that much. Alright. Get these numbers in there. I am trying to be as, not delicate, but as clean as possible. It's not working. It really isn't working. But I am trying. And it's, I think I can use a bigger one for that, actually. Again. Some of these places are just really awkward to get into. Okay, so I need to let this dry, so I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this part of the video. As we'll bring it up a little bit closer so you can see what I've done there. I mean, there's a few spots that need to be repaired, but we can do that later. Where's my other brush? Here it is. Let's just clean that off as well. But I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this video. The next video is going to be, hopefully, dry brushing those parts, and I think I might try masking them, because I think that might be better than trying to do it the way I am doing it. Oh well, no, I won't dry brush it yet. I think I might do a wash first. Yeah, we'll do a wash first, and we'll do a wash with the red. And actually, before I go, let's just see what it looks like on one of these pieces. Let's try the back leg. That's one of the ones I've done first. So let's see what this would look like if I washed it. Okay. A bit of a build up here. Don't really want to build up. Right, so that's what it's going to look like with a bit of a red wash in it. Not too sure yet, but I think that will do, because then with the red, and then I'm going to highlight the raised edges with the purple. I think it will look good. Yes. So anyway, I'm going to go. Once I'm going to let that dry, make sure that definitely looks okay. And I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.